Okay. You know what? I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to show you my screen right now because why not? Here's a little copywriting lesson. Here's how to write an email. First thing, let's present my screen. Okay. Let's show my entire screen. You guys can watch me do copywriting stuff live right now in the moment. Okay. Here we go. Tammy, I will answer your question next. Just give me 1 minute. I I'm sending an email to let people know that I'm doing this right now. Okay, so we got that link. I'm going to copy this link. Here's beehiiv, one of the best email softwares around. beehiiv. This is it. If you want to send emails, you want to be an email copywriter, the easiest one to get started with is beehiiv. After that, Kit. If you're going to go into e-commerce, always Klaviyo. Here's me writing an email about this live stream. Ask me anything, live on YouTube. Boom, boom. Click this link to join. I already added the link. Hey, like this isn't a normal email. I'd usually write way more than this, but you know what? Sometimes you just got to tell your audience, here's what's up, here's what's going on, and get straight to the point. So that's what we're doing here. I normally, I've almost 3,300 people on my email list. Normally, I would A/B test subject lines where I'm actually going to test out different subject lines and stuff like that. But right now, I'm just going to send this out because I need to get the message out now. So I'm not going to A/B test, but I normally would recommend doing that. This is just a little mini email copywriting and email marketing mini lesson for you, right before we get started with the Ask Me Anything. I'm just going to leave that subject line as is. Get all your questions answered. This is too long of a preview text, so get your questions answered from a 100K copywriter. We'll just say that. Boom, boom, boom. Next, review. Normally, I would preview this, send test emails, all these things. Actually, I'm just going to see that the link actually works. That's the only thing I'm actually going to check. Which you should check this. You should do way more when you're doing emails for clients than what I'm doing right now. But like, I just need to see that this works. Hopefully, this doesn't create some weird vortex thing in the moment. It looks like the link's going to go. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so, and now I'm going to hit send. And this is how you guys do an email. There you go, publish now, and we're sending that to 3,300 people who will hopefully show up at this live stream in the next 30 minutes because that's what I'm getting out here.